What is going on with the Echo Blade? I didn't want to believe the hype. I didn't want to believe what was going on with it, but let's find out. It's not necessarily the clipper, it's the blade. I did not want to believe what was happening with these blades, but it turned out to be true. The teeth are very fragile. Somehow, some way, I ended up chipping a tooth. When I put it back on my station one day, I noticed a little chip. So I decided after it was broken to give it a couple more tries to see if I break any more teeth. But surprisingly, it didn't. I found it weird, so I called Stylecraft and they sent me a new blade. I know they don't cover chipped blades, but this problem has been occurring so much that they didn't make it a hassle, so they ended up sending me another one. So thank you, Stylecraft. And like always, once you pick up a new blade, you always want to deep clean your clippers. And when there's downtime at the barbershop, be productive. There's always something to do, and this is something I enjoy doing. And when you get these new blades, they do not come with screws. Remember that. And you see that plastic white piece on the older blade, inner blade? You put that aside. So once these new fresh blades come in, we're ready to go. So you get that older inner blade, take out that white piece and put it on the new one. I like to dust it off, clean it. There you go. And you see those two little holes right there? Those are for the prongs. And you see those two prongs right there? You put them inside. And the inner piece goes in there, and I like to hold it with my left thumb. You get that new blade, you notice that chip on the old one. What I like to do is put pressure on it and hold it down. So once I slide it in there, you hold it into place. And now you can start screwing them back in. Once you start tightening it, don't tighten it up all the way. You want to go halfway, that way you can zero gap it to your liking. When it comes to zero gapping, the clippers, everybody's different. A lot of people are heavy-handed. You don't want to leave a mark on your customer's head. And once you zero gap them to your liking, that's when you tighten. And once it's done, here you go. Spray it off. Good to go. I have no idea why Stylecraft this is happening to these Echo blades, but this is probably my first complaint I've ever had with them. And they ended up sending me a new blade and it's fixed. Problem solved.